we go. I'm just going to record the first part, and then Ron, when you start, I'm going to stop the recording just to ensure your privacy and make it more of a comfortable, safe place for everyone. But so I just wanted to just kind of, I was just sharing with the group a little bit kind of informally that,
I'm not finally decides to get in.
oh, somebody's not muted.
Just a speaker.
Anybody?
Kimberly just sent a text saying she's having difficulty hearing us.
Oh, really? Okay. Can everybody else hear me okay? Yeah, you guys are all okay. Maybe if you log out and log back in, Kimberly, that might help.
Also, turn up the volume on your computer.
Yeah. Might help. Anyway, so I was sharing that, as we go through this last, what are we, week 5 right now? So we're kind of halfway through. So as we continue through the weeks, it gets a little more, I want to say intense. The process starts to come together. And as we get closer and closer to completing the relationship in the form of a loss narrative, it can be very freeing, but it can also be kind of hard. So I just want to let you know that it's great that you guys are here and you're hanging in there and you're sticking with the process, because
If you want to talk.
at the end of our time together, you'll see how it all comes together. So anyway, welcome to week 5, everybody. And it's a privilege to be here. And thank you for taking the time. I thought last week was pretty amazing. I could see the process really starting to help people kind of connect with their overall loss history. And so hopefully, more and more benefit will come as we spend more time together. So kind of like what I shared last week, we're just going to dive in and start finishing sort of sharing our loss history graph with each other. And I'm going to stop the recording at this point. And Ron, if you can share, and then whoever else is not on video, if you can just type in the chat that you're here and you're ready to share, we'll put you guys in order, and then we'll just go, and whoever would like to share can. I encourage everybody to share their loss history graph because there's a lot of benefit to actually verbalizing the history of your losses throughout your time. And it's very beneficial. I think, Susan, if I can share, it's like she was a little surprised when she started actually talking about it. It brought up some emotion, and I think that's the blessing of community. And so I think that's why it's so important to be able to talk about it if you can. Obviously, there's no pressure. Everybody has their own timeline, and we honor that. So, but having said that, Ron, thank you for being willing. And I'm going to stop the recording, and the floor is yours. Go for it.
Real quick, wait.